If you're an avid traveler, then having a Delta card to help you in saving money and enjoying maximum cashbacks is very crucial for you. And that is why in this guide, I'm going to be recommending the best 6 Delta credit card that I know that you can use and apply for this year. My name is Maverick. Welcome to this channel. Please listen to this disclaimer before you watch this video. It is very important that you know that I am not a financial advisor, and the content of this video is for educational purposes only. Now you need to know that cashback rates, fees, and terms of credit card mentioned in this video may vary over time, and any products that I recommend in this video is for your benefit and they do not require any additional spending from your hand. In case it's been a while that you watched this video after I've created it, kindly make sure that you go ahead and confirm all the rates and fees that I talked about in this video before you embark on taking action on this video. And it's not also bad if you also consult all the financial advisors that you trust very well before you embark on anything that I say in this video. Now let's head straight to these cards. I'm going to be talking about 6 cards here which can help you to make the best decision. Now the first card that I'm going to be talking about here is the Capital One Venture X. Now this card has 5 to 10% reward on travel. Now this card offers a generous reward rate on travel expenses, making it highly beneficial for those who frequently travel for work or leisure. Also, the ability to earn substantial reward can significantly offset travel costs over time. Now this is a card that I've been using for a few years now, and it's been a good card for me. Another reason why I like this card is the work travel reimbursement. Like for individuals whose work allows them to book their home flight, maybe your work allows you, your boss allows you to book your home flight, hotels and cars on personal cards, and get reimbursed while keeping the rewards, then this Venture X reward card on travel becomes particularly advantageous. All right, and it also allows you to earn rewards on business related travel expenses, and further enhancing the value proposition. Another reason why I like this card is exclusive usage. Acquiring the Venture X card and using it exclusively offers significant benefits and reward you for travel expenses. Now this preference for exclusive usage highlights the card's benefits. Another one, which is the second on my list here, is the Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card. Now this card has an annual fee of $95, and despite the annual fee, the Chase Sapphire Preferred offers excellent value with its reward structure and benefits. Now the fee is relatively low compared to the benefit it provides, and that is why I like this card. And especially for frequent travelers, this is a good card that you can consider. And the reason why I like this card is it has approximately 6 flights per year. So with its reward structure, you as a card holder can accumulate points quickly, which allows you to redeem them for approximately 6 flights per year. And this makes it a valuable option for those who fly frequently, including Delta flight. All right. Another reason why I like this credit card is the basic benefit for Delta flight. Now, while the Chase Sapphire Preferred is primarily known for its versatile reward structure and benefits, it is still offering basic benefits to Delta flights. All right, and this includes earning points on Delta purchases and potentially accessing other travel perks. Another one on my list here, which is the third credit card that I'm going to be recommending for your Delta flight, is the Capital One Quicksilver. All right, now the reason why I like this card is that it has no foreign transaction fee. So this feature makes the Capital One Quicksilver a convenient choice for international travelers. Okay, in case you're an international traveler, it's a good one for you, including those who also fly Delta internationally. All right, now avoiding foreign transaction fees can save you significant money on each of your trips. Okay, now it also has a decent cashback reward. This card offers competitive cashback rewards on purchases, including those made for flight. And you as a card holder can accumulate cashback rewards and use them to offset the cost of future flights or other expenses. Now the fourth on my list here among the 6 cards that I'll be recommending is the Capital One Venture. Now starting with the Capital One Venture credit card is also a good one even before starting the Venture X. The reason why I added the Venture X at the first is because it offers more reward, but you can even start with this Capital One Venture. Okay, it's also okay in case you're interested in having a Capital One card. You can decide to start with this one before upgrading to the Venture X. All right, but this one has 2% cash back on all purchases compared to the X, which offers 5% or more. All right, and the flat rate cashback structure of the Capital One Venture card simplifies earning and redeeming reward. All right, now you as a card holder earn consistent 2% cashback on all purchases, including Delta flights, providing flexibility and value. Another reason why I like this card is the preferred for international flights. Now, with its versatile reward structure and lack of foreign transaction fee, the Capital One Venture card is an excellent choice, okay, for international travelers, including those who frequently fly Delta for international trips. So in case you fly Delta a lot, which I'm certain you do, and that is why you're in this video, then this is a good one for you to go for before you even upgrade to the Venture X. All right, now the fifth on the list is the Amex Platinum, which is the American Express Platinum, which has a 5x membership reward on flights and FHR hotel reservation. Now, the Amex Platinum card offers an exceptional reward rate on flights, and which makes it highly attractive for a lot of frequent flyers. So if in case you're a frequent flyer who flies a lot of time, then you might want to consider this Amex Platinum credit card, which is a good one also for a whole lot of people. And additionally, the benefit of fine hotels and resort, which is FHR, fine hotel and resort program, it enhances the overall travel experience, adding significant value for card holders. All right, and I like this card because you're able to use it to enjoy some luxury, okay, and as a card holder you get more benefits. So in case you want to go for this, it's also not bad. Now, the last card on my list here is the Amex Gold card, which is also the American Express Gold card. And ideally, this card is good for groceries and restaurant purchases. What I would recommend is that you can add the Amex Gold card to any of your other card, like the Venture X or the Venture One, like the Capital One Venture, or the Venture X. With this card, you can use it for more groceries. It's also good, and it's also a good one also for people who travel a lot. All right, like reward structure prioritize everyday spending categories such as groceries and restaurant, and card holders, you as a card holder can earn generous rewards in these categories, which can then be redeemed for Delta flights or other travel expenses. So having it is not also bad, because all the rewards that you're getting, you can easily redeem them for Delta flights or other travel expenses. Amex Gold offers a lot of cashbacks and rewards. That is why I like the card, and the fact that you can redeem it is more reason why I recommend it in this video tutorial. Now, these are my best 6 Delta credit cards which I know of. If you know any other card that that a lot of people can use, or possibly among all this list, if you're using any one of them and you want to talk about it, you can let us know in the comment box. It's going to help a whole lot of people out there make the best decision. So possibly maybe you have any experience with either the Capital One Venture, the Chase Sapphire Preferred, Capital One Quicksilver, the Capital One Venture, the Amex Platinum, and the Amex Gold. Any one of them that you've used and you've used for Delta flight, you can let us know in the comment box. Let us know your experience, and if you know any other card that can be much more good than this, you can also let us know in the comment box. It's a good way for me to also learn and also help other people make the best decision. But however, these are some of the cards I've used, and they've worked well for myself and several other my colleagues that I know. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate you. I hope this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos on this channel. And also don't forget to hit the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other viewers who might possibly be seeking for a solution just like this. I wish you the best of luck in your Delta flight and also your traveling journeys. I wish you journey mercy, peace, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.